You did the work, you journaled, you simplified, you made the hard decisions. So why does it still feel like you're waiting for something? Today, I want to talk about how to actually recognize real clarity when it shows up for you, because most people miss it. And I don't want you to miss it. I'm Stephanie, and inside my Honey framework, which is the clarity system I built from my own story, stage 5 is called Yield the Success. It's the embodiment phase, and it's where everything you've been working towards gets to land. But here's the thing nobody talks about. Clarity doesn't usually show up as a dramatic aha moment. It's quieter than that. And if you don't know what to look for, you may miss it. So, here are 5 signs that real clarity has arrived. Number 1, your shoulders drop, literally. Your body relaxes. Decisions start to feel easy instead of like this whole draining negotiation. When your body is calm, that's a signal. Number 2, you stop spiraling on decisions. You're still thinking things through, but the loop is shorter. You're landing faster. You don't need to text 12 people before you can move. Number 3, you know what to say no to. Clarity gives you a filter. When something comes up, you can feel pretty quickly if it fits your life and your goals. And if it doesn't, saying no starts to feel like you're protecting something instead of missing out on something. Okay, number 4, your work starts to feel meaningful, not just busy. There's a big difference between being productive and being purposeful. Clarity makes the work feel connected to something real. And number 5, it's my favorite. You want to share it. This is it just really gets me. When you're genuinely clear, you start wanting other people to find it too. That generosity, that's a huge sign. Now, the reason most people miss their own clarity is because it feels too simple. You've been spinning and spinning and spinning on something for months, and the answer comes and it's like, that's it? Yes, that's it. Real clarity is simple. And if you're waiting for it to feel more complicated or more dramatic, you might be waiting a while. A quick gut check you can do. If clarity brings you peace, trust it. If it brings you relief, but also a little low grade dread, that might just be avoidance. And that's a different thing. So, your homework, yes, I'm giving you homework, is to write down your own clarity statement. Finish the sentence. For me, clarity feels like, make it personal, make it yours, keep it somewhere you can see it when things get noisy again. If you want to go deeper, I have a whole framework, the Honey Method, and a community called the Clarity Lounge where we work through all of this stuff together. You can have the whole foundation, Honey Foundations training. You can have trainings like this for the other previous 4 steps. I'll put the link in the description. I hope you'll join me there. I'd love to see you in the Clarity Lounge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.